How to create dot grid paper in Word? Let's find out! Hiya, it's Renny here from Renny Creative. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been before. In today's video, I will show you how to create a dot grid paper in Word, and I will jump into my computer and I will show you step by step how to do that. So I'm here at my computer, and as you can see, I already opened a Word document, and I'm using Word 2013 version, but I'm sure it's gonna work with other versions too. So what we want to do before we start anything else, we want to go to the page layout. So I just click on that one. I click on there again because it doesn't seem works. Yes, here we are. So the page layout, and you go to here the size, and you want to click on the arrow, and I'm gonna use the 8.5 times 11, but because I'm gonna use the bleed, so with bleed, then you need to go to more paper sizes. So you want to go there and click on that one, and we want to make sure the size is right. So to find out, you want to go to KDP size, and for the help section, and now you can see I will find out in a minute page size with bleed. So how you find this one? If you go to the help section and format your paperback, set trim size, bleed and margins, and once you are there, then if you scroll down, and as you can see this bleed part, then you want to still scroll down, and examples of page size with and without bleed, and you just click on that one, as you can see, and you will see all the sizes you need. So we're gonna need page size without bleed. So if I would go without bleed, then 8.5 times 11, but because we're gonna use page size with bleed, then you want to make sure it will be 8.625 times 11.25 in inches, but we're gonna use centimeters now. So it will be 21.89. So I will put that one first. So 21.89. So 21.89 will be the width, and the height, just going back to check, so it will be 28.54 centimeter. 28.54. So 28.54 centimeter, and you click OK. And now one more thing you want to make sure, because as you can see here the cursor is more in, so it's far from the beginning of the page. So what you want to do, you go to margins and you click on the arrow here, and we gonna go to custom margins, and what we will do, we will actually zero everything. So the top will zero, the left will zero, the bottom and the right as well. So we're gonna do zeros, 0 here, okay, and click on OK. And yes, it will says one or more margins are set outside the printable area of the page. Choose the fix button to increase the appropriate margins, and you can choose fix or ignore. So you will click ignore for now. And as you can see, now the cursor is just at the edge. So now we can start our dots. So what we will do, yes, we will start the dots for now, and after I will show you what we need to do next. So just click on the dots and you start to do dots, quite a few. So I just leave like that, and you want to highlight like this, and now here at the font you want to go to this little corner and you want to click on that one, and as you can see there is a font and there is advanced, so you want to go to advanced, and as you can see the spacing and it says normal, so you want to go to the scroll down, so the arrow, and you click expanded, and here is by, so you want to change from 1 to 10 pt, for example. In this case is an example, so 10, and I will click OK, and as you can see here the dots became distance, and what we want to do, so I will, because of that you can see is already is another distance, but I will check out again because I already did once and it worked out, so I will see, yes, as you can see, some reason, no, it's working, so okay, so I keep doing it, and I will show you how you can do actually quicker the pages for yourself. So I will do one more. You can do this way, or you can just do one row and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, so copy and paste. So I just did a free row for now, and you just want to highlight, and what I gonna do, I click Ctrl C, and after that I will do Ctrl V, so Ctrl V, and I will keep doing Ctrl V. And I know you notice, so you might notice, there are parts where actually there is like a bigger distance between the dots rows. I think it's say rows. If not, then please let me know in the comment below how to say in English, but I think it's a row. So what you want to do, for example, the first bigger gap is here, so you want to click on this one, not this one, you know why, yeah, it's there. So you want to click on the end of that row, and you want to click delete, and after that, as you saw, actually is disappeared the big gap, so it works properly, and for another one we do the same again, so you want to click delete, and ta-dam, there is no gap anymore, there is another, this part, so you want to do the same, so you want to click delete, and there's no gap anymore again, so it's really great. So what we can do now, we can do the highlight again, so Ctrl C, and do the same, so Ctrl V, do Ctrl V again and Ctrl V again. Yes, already is another page, but we don't need that for now. We're just working on the first page, so I just delete that one. Just deleting. I try this way. Okay. So delete, and we have now one page, so I just double check if there is any more gap, and as you can see, actually because we fixed it, then we don't have any more gaps. So this is how we need to do, how you can do your own dot grid journal. So this is it, and I'm going back to the camera. See you there. So now you know how to create your own dot grid paper in Word, and if you like this video, then feel free to give me a like. It helps me out with the algorithm, and also if you would like to see similar videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated. And if you would like to know how to create different variations of interiors, then tap on the screen and check out my video about bookboard, where you can find out how to create and how to find different interiors for free and easily. See you. Bye!